Uses of present continuous tense. We can use the present continuous tense for the action that may not be happening exactly now, but it is happening just before and just after now, and it is not permanent or habitual. Structure for present continuous tense. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus main verb with ing form, as in I am going. For forming negative sentences, we use subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus main verb with ing form, as in I am not going. To form interrogative sentences, auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Am I going? In which conditions do we use present continuous tense? First, for an action going on at the time of speaking. Example, she is singing. The boys are playing hockey. In these sentences, the action is happening right now. For a temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. For example, I am reading Atomic Habits, but I am not reading at this moment. For an action that is planned or arranged to take place in the near future. Examples, I am going to football match tonight. My cousin is arriving tomorrow. It has been pointed out before that the simple present tense is used for a habitual action. However, when the reference is to a particularly obstinate habit, something which persists, for example, in spite of advice or warning, we use the present continuous with an adverb like always, continually, or constantly. Example, my dog is very silly. He is always running out into the road. Non-continuous verbs. Non-continuous verbs are verbs that we do not normally use with continuous tenses. These stative verbs are about state, not action, and they cannot express the continuous or progressive aspects. Here are some of the most common non-continuous verbs. Non-continuous verbs as in feeling, hate, like, love, prefer, want, wish. Senses, appear, feel, hear, see, seem, smell, sound, taste. Communication verbs as in agree, disagree, promise. Thinking, believe, imagine, know, mean, realize. Verbs as in other states, to be, to belong, depend, involve, matter. These are some non-continuous verbs. For example, I want a coffee. We do not say I am wanting a coffee. Does this pen belong to you? We do not say is this pen belonging to you. We do not use continuous tense with verbs which have no real action in them. Compare the words hear and listen. The verb hear means receive sound in your ears. There is no action or activity by you. We cannot use hear with continuous tense, but listen means try to hear. You make an effort to hear. There is a kind of activity or action going on. We can use listen with continuous tenses. Examples, I hear someone at the back door. We do not say, I am hearing someone at the back door. We believe we are going in the right direction. Not the sentence, we are believing we are going in the right direction. We are owning that house is wrong sentence. We say, we own that house. No grammar allows you to use more than 2 continuous verbs, one after the other. I am reading, writing, listening and speaking English. But all these activities cannot be done simultaneously. One must follow the other. When have does not mean to possess but means experience, then you can use the continuous progressive tense. Some more examples of present continuous tense. He is not standing. Anthony is sitting in the chair. You are not watching the movie. Adam is reading a book. Are they listening to the teacher? She is not going to the game tonight. He is meeting his friends after school. Are you visiting your cousin this weekend? I am not going to the meeting after work. Is John playing football today? Thank you for watching the video. If you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like my channel. For further notifications, do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.